Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Slack API fatal error. This error usually happens when something goes wrong with your request, token, or connection. It is often caused by invalid authentication, an outdated API method, or a server issue. First, go to your Slack app settings, click your app name, then go to OAuth and permissions. Scroll down until you see OAuth token, then click Reinstall to Workspace. This refreshes your authentication and helps make sure you are using a valid bot user OAuth token that starts with XOXB. After that, check your API request carefully and make sure required fields like channel ID and message text are correct. Also verify that you are not using any deprecated Slack API methods and update them if needed. After that, restart your app or clear the cache if you are using it in a browser. Finally, test the request again using the updated token and correct request. In most cases, the error is fixed once the token and API request are properly updated. That's it. We just learned how to fix the Slack API fatal error. You can fix it by checking the token, reinstalling the app, fixing the request structure, and updating deprecated API methods. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delph Stack tutorial video.